Hi, welcome to MarineMax in Dallas. My name is Lyle, and today I wanted to show you this 2026 Harris Solstice 250. This is an amazing boat. I want you to follow me up. We're going to climb aboard and check it out. All right, welcome aboard. I'm here at the helm of this fine 250 Solstice. Here at the helm we've got twin Simrad screens, so you can have your chart, your gauges, you can have an echoed fish finder, and your gauges and a chart. You can split it all up. You've got JL audio for the stereo. You've got this awesome Italian leather steering wheel. And over here is the digital throttle and shift to run your engine. Welcome to the stern of this amazing Solstice 250. Back here we've got a really comfortable lounge. Over here you can control your JL audio system. You've got a 12-volt plug-in for inflatables and your USB ports, along with lighted cup holders. On this side at the back, we've got a flip down swim seat, so you can relax as you're swimming in and out of the water, next to the powerful 350 horsepower Mercury outboard with the really cool lily pad ladder. Makes it real easy to climb in and out, and pets love it. A couple more features about this Solstice 250 that I want to point out. Here we have a sports tower with tower speakers. And then this is really cool. Over here at the end of this chaise lounge, you've got a flip up chaise table. So you can have snacks, sandwiches, drinks, all those fun things. Come by and see us here at MarineMax in Dallas. My name is Lyle. Hope to see you soon.